Hey there. So you've been hearing a lot about Spaceship Super, and you're probably wondering, can I actually link my existing Super to it? The short answer is yes, absolutely. But let's dive into the how-to, the why, and what you need to know to make it a smooth transition. First things first, what does linking your Super actually mean? It's officially called a rollover or consolidation. This is the process of moving your balance from your current Super fund into a new one. In this case, from your old fund to Spaceship Super. It's a pretty standard procedure, and it's designed to be straightforward. So, how do you actually do it? The simplest way is to initiate the rollover directly from the Spaceship Super app or website. You'll typically log in, find the Consolidate Your Super or Bring Over Your Super section, and follow the prompts. You'll need some details about your old fund, like the ABN or USI, which you can usually find on an old statement. Spaceship's platform is pretty good at helping you find these details if you don't have them handy. Now, a lot of people ask, why should I bother? The main reasons are convenience and fees. Consolidating your Super into one account means you're not paying multiple sets of fees. Those small fees from multiple funds can really add up over a lifetime and eat into your retirement savings. Plus, having everything in one place makes it a lot easier to track your performance and manage your investment strategy. Before you hit that transfer button, here's a crucial tip: always check for any exit fees with your current fund. While most funds have moved away from them, some older legacy funds might still have a small fee for transferring your money out. It's always good to be aware of what to expect. Also, confirm that all your insurance policies are sorted. If you have insurance through your current Super fund, like TPD or life insurance, make sure you understand what happens to it when you transfer your money out. Spaceship Super offers insurance, but it's important to make sure it meets your needs. The entire rollover process usually takes a few days to a couple of weeks, depending on how quickly your old fund processes the request. Once it's done, your Super will be invested according to the plan you've chosen with Spaceship, and you'll be able to see your entire balance in one place. So yes, you can definitely link your Super to Spaceship Super. It's a simple process that could potentially save you money and give you a clearer view of your financial future. If you're ready to get started, just head over to the Spaceship website or download the app. Thanks for watching.